Hello and welcome back to Journey to Imaginative Prayer. This is your first time here, welcome. I invite you to find a quiet place for you to sit, whether it be in your car or on the floor somewhere, laying down on a mat, or just sitting quietly in a chair. You can have your feet grounded to the floor, or you can just sit in your favorite position. Let's take a moment to get into this posture of being able to receive and hear and get a better understanding of how you are feeling and doing in this moment in your life. You're sitting in the temple. It's quiet in there, and the light is just beginning to fade. The fragrance of sacrifices is strong. The air is thick with incense. It's peaceful, yet you don't feel any peace. Your heart is full of pain, and that's why you're here. You've come to the temple to find God and beg for help. A woman enters the temple. She's staggering and nearly falls to her knees. She looks the way you feel. She sways back and forth a while, but eventually her body is still. She stays there so long, you begin to think she's asleep. Except her mouth is moving. You wonder if she's mentally ill or drunk. You're not alone in your wandering or in your wondering. The priest of the temple walks over and accuses her of being drunk. The poor woman is crying inconsolably. No, she hasn't been drinking. She's very upset. She's been pouring her heart out, telling God her deepest pains, her deepest desires. She's been laying her longings before God, begging God for mercy, begging God to hear her prayer and grant her request. The priest blesses her, and she leaves. As she walks past, you notice a smile on her face. As her footfalls fade, the temple becomes silent once more. of this silence, you hear, or perhaps you feel, a voice. It is God's voice. What are your deepest pains and your deepest desires? Will you pour your heart out to me? Too? Will you lay your longings before me? Notice your body's response to those questions. Do you want to leave or stay in that moment? What is your reactions to God's questions? What feelings do they uncover and release for you? The woman left with a smile on her face. Perhaps she felt heard, and that helped her to leave with a lighter heart. Do you feel heard by God? If so, how does that make you feel? If not, how does that make you feel? Take as long as you need in this moment. Let this be a meditation throughout your day, throughout your week. Watch the stirrings of your heart and your spirit. Allow this to be the invitation that you may have been looking for to connect.